Man, it's like I'm hungry as hell, but I just don't know what I want to eat. All I know is I want it to be moist and high in protein.
I know something moist you can eat.
Think of what I'm thinking? So you guys looking for something moist? That's a snack, dinner kind of meal idea. We're gonna be making anabolic bean dip today with chips. And this is what we got today that we're working with. We got our low calorie wrap. You get your low calorie wraps anywhere. Just like the other pizzas. Got your fat-free mozzarella. And I'm going with the Cholula hot sauce with some picante hot sauce. And we're gonna get the reduced sodium black beans. You get this in your canned vegetable aisle. And we got a serving of guacamole, the Kirkland brand. We're gonna use an ounce of cherry tomatoes. And I know you guys wanna see me weigh all this out because that's the most fun thing ever, but we're not gonna do that. I'm just gonna, okay. So first thing, we got one of our 60 calorie wraps. I'm basically gonna cut it in whatever shapes you want your chips. So, like that, and we got our oven preheated at 350 degrees. And I'm gonna pop that in for 7 minutes. And here's our black beans, the whole can. And I'm just gonna put the black beans in the bowl. And then just like that, I'm gonna pop the black beans in the microwave for 1 minute. Alright, so that's out the microwave for a minute. And now we're going to add our serving of the picante. And I'm just gonna kind of mix that in with a spoon. Kind of crush the beans a little bit. And then I'm going to come in with some splashes of Cholula. Same thing, I'm just stirring that up. Flatten it out just like that to our bowl. And then I'm gonna pop that back in for 1 more minute. Get like a toilet.
Okay.
Alright, so that's our 2nd minute now. And now this is basically ready to go. Just all we gotta do is take our cheese, so there's 56 grams of the fat-free mozzarella. I'm gonna throw that right on top. Just like so. We wanna get all that. No macro left behind. Ready to go. This is gonna go in the oven and I'm gonna put it on broil. So my chips have about a minute left. And if you guys don't know what broil is, I'm just finding this out too. Broil is like when it heats from the top of the oven. So it's just gonna melt the cheese on top. On our chips, I'm gonna just take these out. Just like that. Comes out nice and crispy. We got our nice chips. That's like that. And what I do is I just take this same tray, put that on. I switched it to broil and I'm moving it to the top layer. Pop back in. About 3 minutes. Light on. Just like that. So we got our melted cheese on top. The Kirkland guacamole. I'm gonna put that right. I gotta make it look pretty or else you guys won't watch the video. Tomatoes. I didn't say this in the beginning, but I put a dollop of non-fat Greek yogurt and I kind of use it as sour cream. I just season it with some Flavor God nacho cheese seasoning. And that's my sour cream. Flavor God nacho cheese seasoning. I just find it goes really good with the dip.
Diktaattelin
So when I get done with the chips, I just eat it out the bowl. So yeah, I mean, you see the cheese, it's really cheesy, it's really good. Shout out camera girl for filming the video. You see how simple this was. There's no way anybody couldn't do it. I literally just popped some beans in the microwave, melted some cheese on it, baked a tortilla to make some chips. Like, there's no excuses. You guys have to try this out because it's delicious. And if you went to a local Mexican restaurant and got some bean dip with their chips that they fry in oil, it's gonna taste amazing. Let me tell you that right now. It's gonna taste great. But if you have that craving, this is perfect for that. High in protein, plenty of fiber. The macros listed after this, and I enjoy this a lot. Shit, have this as a side. Have this as a side and make your pizza. So make the pizza, the anabolic pizza, make the anabolic bean dip,